Please welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet the Picot trellis stitch. Tongue twister. So today's tutorial is going to be super easy and I guess we're going to just jump right in. What you're going to need today is a yarn of your choosing, usually a 4-weight or lighter. Works really good for this because it is like a lacy motif type pattern. So as you can see, as per normal, I worked up a couple little swatches. You work this stitch in increments of 5, so chain in multiples of 5 plus 2. And we're gonna start with a slip knot. And this stitch is super beginner friendly. I know it looks probably kind of tangly, but you can do it. So what we want to do, like I said, you want to chain in multiples of 5 plus 2. So I'm going to chain in multiple of 15. Well, I'm going to chain 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then plus 2. So 1 and 2. So probably one of my greatest pet peeves with stitches like this is that I like to have a base line, so like a base of stitches. So I'm gonna go ahead and single crochet across this foundation chain real quick so it's easier to work with. Feel free to pause or chain along with me. Alright, so now that I have a foundation to actually work off of, I can go ahead and jump into this stitch. Let's make sure we're good and focused, and I'm going to zoom in for you guys. So first and foremost, we are going to be chaining 1. Alright, and we're going to turn our work, and we're going to single crochet into the base of that chain 1, so right here. Okay, and now what we're going to do is chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now that we've chained 5, we're going to skip 4 stitches. So, you might need to pull them apart if you can't see them that well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And into that 5th one, we're going to single crochet. Okay, and that gives us our first chain arch. Now we're going to do that again. So we're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet into that 5th one. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gonna skip the next 4 stitches and we are going to single crochet in that last stitch. Cool. So however wide you made yours, you're going to continue repeating that pattern of chaining 5, single crocheting, chaining 5, single crocheting until you complete your row. I'm going to move on to the next row, which is row 3. Row 3. So what we want to do is chain up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn our work. Okay, and now we are going to start working our picots. So what you want to do is look at that chain of 5 and you want to find that third, that center chain, and you're going to single crochet into it just like that. Okay, and then you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. You're going to single crochet into that same chain. Okay, so the Picot stitch is a very, very, very simple little technique. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in that same stitch. Okay, now we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this creates the bridge between this last picot and the next one. So we are also going to find that third chain in our next arch. We're going to go into it like so. We're going to single crochet, make our chain 3, and then single crochet into that same chain space, creating our second picot of the row. And I'm going to be doing this one more time, so chaining 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, if you're a beginner crocheter, don't be put off by how I'm holding my needle. Sometimes I have a tendency to go between holding it like a pencil and holding it like this, whichever is more comfortable for you. But alright, we're going to find that center third chain again, insert our hook, and create a picot. 2, 3. Alright, now what we're going to do is chain 2 after doing that final picot, and we're going to treble crochet. So treble crochet is really easy. If you've never done it, I'm going to show you how. I also have a tutorial going through the basic crochet stitches back on my channel. You're going to yarn over twice, so there's 1 and then there's 2. We're going to insert our hook into this turning single crochet back here. We're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, so you should have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And yarn over and pull through 2. Then yarn over and pull through those last 2. And that finishes row 3. So if I lay it out like this, your pattern should start looking like this. It's almost like a tiny crown. Okay, and we're going to move on to the next row. Alright, moving on. So this stitch in particular is a repeat of rows 2 and 3. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go back and we are going to chain 1, turn our work, and then we are going to single crochet the top of that treble crochet right there. Then we're going to chain 5. I'm going to zoom in these words. Alright, I'm going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to be skipping over this picot, and I'm going to find my next arch, my chain arch, and I'm going to insert my hook into that third, aka the center chain, and I'm going to create a picot. So there's my first single crochet. Now I'm chaining 3. Now I'm inserting my hook into that same chain stitch. Alright, now I'm going to chain 5 again. 2, 3, 4, 5. And I am going to work into that next chain arch, which on my sample is a little loose. It's a little weird. My tension. Anywho. Gonna picot in that third chain stitch. 2, 3, and single crochet. Alright, and then I'm gonna chain my 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to insert my hook into the top, like the chain 3. So I'm going to count up from here, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to insert my hook into that third one, and I'm going to single crochet at the end of my row. Alright, and so if I were to continue this pattern on, I would be repeating rows 2 and 3 until I came up with a lengthy piece of fabric. This, however, is going into my swatch container. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you. If so, go ahead and hit thumbs up down below. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know when I upload, because just hitting the subscribe button, it doesn't let you know how it used to. So do that. I am on several different social media. Check out my Pinterest board if you ever miss a week on the YouTube channel. I always have my patterns and things on Pinterest as well, in a nice little organized board. Also, don't forget to check out my Etsy pattern shop. I have a promotion going on this month. It runs through until the 30th, and you can get 25% off any and all of my patterns in the store. And until next time, guys, happy making.